All right, today's workout is going to be a team of 3. You're going to be working with 2 other people, and in this workout, you are all going to be working pretty much at the same time, okay? There's a little slight caveat there, but we're going to have partner 1, or one partner, will be on the bike. The bike is going to be going for 1,500 meters, all right? So that person is biking 1,500 meters while the other 2 individuals, partner 2 and 3, are going to be alternating back and forth, trying to get as many rounds as possible. Now, we'll say partner 2 steps up, and in this AMRAP, they're going to go ahead and do 5 deadlifts, followed by 5 bench press. And that will be 1 round. Once partner 2 has finished the deadlifts and the bench press, that means partner 3 will step in and do a round. And you're going to be alternating back and forth with one another until the person on the bike is finished. However, if the bike is finished and you're in the middle of the round, that individual needs to finish up the round before you can switch. And you can see once you switch, one person is still going to be staying here, not getting a break. They're going to go ahead and continue to move back and forth with their new partner on this AMRAP. The deadlift today is going to be on the heavier side. That's 315 for the men, 225 for the women. We're going to make sure that we're nice and warm. If you're using 2 different weights, you may have to be stripping the bar. It just depends on your class size. And the bench press today is going to be 185 for the men, 115 for the women. This is going to be a challenging load. More than likely, as we move through it, you might move to singles, and that's okay. Again, we're trying to go through as many rounds as possible here. Now, again, we're going to be moving through this for 20 full minutes, trying to get as many rounds and reps as we can in this AMRAP, okay? Partner 1, you're just getting into that bike, and then we will use the biker to dictate when the rotation happens once the round is complete, okay? So that's a little confusing. Just remember that you yourself will be doing 5 deadlifts and 5 bench press, and then the next person steps in. If you rotate, the person on the bike has finished, you must complete that round that you're on before your whole team can switch, okay? So again, there's some communication happening, but really you got to stay within yourself, making sure that you stick with your plan. We want this deadlift to be nice, good form throughout as we're standing all the way up, using those legs to really press the earth away. The bar will rise. We don't want to be shrugging our shoulders. A good hinge and tap is what we're looking for. On the bench press, feet firmly into the ground, shoulder blades tucked in, and we're going to go ahead and bench press to roughly around where the stomach and the rib cage meet. This is going to be a fun one. You are going to need to move fast because it's going to get pretty tiresome moving through this AMRAP. So keep that in mind as you're on the bike. It's not a lovely stroll in the park. It's kind of like a Tour de France sprint.